I did it again. Big Dollar Tree haul. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. All right, you guys, I'm excited. I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you, and yeah, we're just gonna jump right in. I fully admit it. I have been doing a lot of Dollar Tree hauls lately, and there's a reason. My schedule has been really kind of crazy, getting used to a new routine and everything, and it's been good. Actually, it's been really, really good. So I'm just gonna dive in. I've got literally a little bit of everything. This is my favorite time of year at Dollar Tree. I know I say that all the time. So many good things. These are glass. The iced coffee kind of glasses. Like, they've got the lid. The lid fits really good. Really good on these. And of course, they had blue, so I had to get blue. Now, there are two other colors. There's a white and there's kind of a red color. So we're gonna put that there. Hopefully I don't forget it's there. And then, you know, I'll do another video and you'll be like, that glass is still there. Here's another one. I did buy two of those. I'll just put them both up there for right now. My grandma, I'm just diving right into the bag, y'all, just because there's no like rhyme or reason to any of this. So my grandma always drank iced tea or you know, water, whatever her drink of choice was, out of a very large glass. So anytime I see a very large kind of cup or something like that, I tend to get one because I do like to do that also. But I was trying to get the sticker off, but it didn't work. Look how big that is. And it is BPA free for those that are wondering. And you can see it's really good. This is a 2-pack, and just a good glass, especially if I'm sitting at my desk and I'm working on something and I don't want to leave. That's a great way. Y'all, these are my new favorite things. I bought these during my last haul. I was so excited that they still had them. But these silicone bowl covers, these are life-changing. For just even my regular bowls, I had a small pie pan that I used one of these on. They're so good. I'm having fantastic luck with them right now. So I grabbed 2 extra packages of those. I'm curious, I haven't seen any of them in like a square size or anything, so I'm curious if you guys have. I bought a nice coffee. I'm filming this, by the way, it's about 8:30 in the morning on Thursday. I went out and I did some hurricane prep. There's a lot of people that are, the hurricane is kind of headed towards Atlanta or like somewhere close to here. And I haven't checked this morning, but as of last night, it's going to be pretty beastly. So if you guys are in the path of this or have, you know, already gone through it, please, I hope that you're safe and careful. What I found that was kind of interesting is that a lot of my friends are posting on, you know, from Walmart and places like that of all the empty shelves. I went to Dollar Tree this morning, and y'all, they had water, they had peanut butter, they had bread. They didn't have like bread, but they had English muffins, which if you're in a pinch, just as good as bread in my opinion. And they had snacks and everything. So I did pick up a few of those things. I do have some things at home too, but check out Dollar Tree if you're trying to prep for a hurricane. They have batteries. I mean, they had all kinds of stuff. I don't know why I got these. I'm sure it's not going to fit me. Maybe 2 of them together will fit me. But they're bracelet pens. I always like to have just really kind of interesting pens, and I have all kinds of different pens and pencils and things on my desk. So we'll add those to the pack. And then my Dollar Tree, I'm sorry, I'm bending over here in front of you guys. My Dollar Tree, I gotta go way down here, is starting to put out Christmas. And I have a tree that is kind of this gold color, and I bought these ornaments last year, so I needed a few more. And because by the time I figured out I really liked this color on my tree, of course, most of them were gone. And then I also have navy on my tree, go figure. And these are a really good size. And then I did buy 2 packages of the gold, by the way. And then I only bought these because I want the navy ornaments. The silver ones I will use on another tree. I'm gonna have a small tree, probably in this corner actually, here in the craft room, and then I'll have my kind of main one in the living room. But silver ornaments I thought would be really good for the tree in here, and then my tree in the living room is always navy, gold, bronze, sparkly, pretty. Mercury glass, things like that. So I'm actually really excited to put my tree up this year, but I wanted to grab some of these navy ornaments. And then they had the large ornaments, which are always, here they are. They had the large ornaments as well. They only had the glitter ones, and there was only 2 of them, and it was a fresh box. She had just put it out and opened it up, and so I was able to kind of dig in right away, and I got 2 of those. And here's the other one. Super cute. Love those for sure. I love the large ornaments just mixed with all kinds of different sizes. I think makes a great impact. My Dollar Tree has a crazy amount of glass mosaic tiles. They had this blue and white, go figure again. And then they also had a bunch of other colors. I didn't see any, what's it called? Not caulking, but the grout to do this. They probably do have that in the hardware section though, now that I think about it. And they did have this though. Where is it? It might be in another bag. Anyway, they did have an adhesive that I think I am going to try. They also had this, which I thought was interesting. There's glitter all over it from the blue. Now I have glitter all over my shorts. But the glue dot it's a glue dot runner. And I'm assuming there's probably a bunch of little glue dots on there. So if you need to put multiple down, you can use that. I thought that could be good, especially with Christmas and the holidays coming up. I actually bought 2 of these because I was inspired. There's glitter all in this bag, y'all. I saw this shape and I was inspired for a DIY. So I just bought one with the seahorse. I bought one with the, what is that, starfish. I'm taking those off just for warning, trigger warning. And I'm gonna be making something with these, so more to come. Despite what you guys have been seeing on my channel lately, I do actually do some DIY. I'm putting my kind of hurricane preps off to one side, and it's just been crazy. It's just been crazy. I don't know how else to say it. It's just been crazy, and I have not had time to just kind of sit down and focus on some DIYs. I do have a bin at the top of the shelf that has DIY ideas kind of in there. And I promise DIYs are coming, but yeah, not right now. This blue glass bottle, how pretty is that? I don't know what that mushroom thing is there. We'll be taking that off, but great, just little accent piece. Of course, my favorite color. I'm gonna put it up here with the blue cups. That way you guys can see if I forget them. This I thought was pretty. Obviously, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I know of a couple people that are survivors, and one of them I see kind of on a regular basis. So I bought these lapel pins, and I want to give her one of these lapel pins. And then you guys may remember my jacket that I made that has just different things on it. This also is, I'm going to put one of these on there as well. So that will be cool. Hey, Otis, don't do that, buddy. Be careful, buddy. Otis is over there rubbing up against a leaning kind of file folder thing that I have, and it's not super steady. And so I'm like, let's not do that. I don't want you to get hurt. This I heard, this brand anyway that they sell at Dollar Tree. Sorry for the glare. The so I don't know what it's called. It's supposed to be really good. The reviews and everything are really good on this. And this is a diamond glow peel off mask. So I thought, okay, lights go out, I'll wash my face if the electricity goes out, because we are expecting the electricity to go out. And that was me dropping that diamond mask, by the way. That wasn't Otis. And then we are expecting the lights to go out, and I'm hoping I have internet and cable, but we'll see. Of course, if the lights go out, I won't. But yeah, hopefully it'll be nice enough I can sit out on the front porch maybe. I'm sad because one of my DIY videos is a front porch for fall. So yeah, this is clay. We'll go back to the topic here. This is some air dry clay. This is fantastic for making ornaments and stuff with your kids. So I picked up a package of that. There was only 2 packages, and I was gonna grab them both, but I didn't. I decided to let other people enjoy. This is a new product that I have not seen at Dollar Tree before. I use like pomades or wax and different things in my hair, and they had a fiber wax, and then there was also a styling cream. I have plenty of pomade here already at home, so I didn't want to buy these, but this is, I really do like this stuff for my hair. Styling cream can be a little heavy, so I have to be kind of light on there, otherwise my hair looks really greasy. And then the fiber wax is good if you kind of want that dry look and spiky or whatever. So I'm gonna give them a try. Hopefully I like them, and hopefully they carry it at Dollar Tree all the time. Let's see who it's made by. Manufactured for Rejoice International Corporation. So it might be a limited kind of a thing that Dollar Tree's gonna get. Hopefully not. Just a couple things that I got for, whoopsie. Put that there. For some hurricane prep, you know, just some snacks. I have bread, I have milk, I have, you know, I have wine, but I didn't have snacks. So I grabbed a bag of these potato skins, these cheddar and bacon potato skins from TGI Fridays. These are really good. I've been buying these at Dollar Tree for quite a long time, and I remember when they used to sell the bigger bags of these. Dollar Tree, where know what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing to our snacks. And then this I have not seen before, and I always thought that this should be something that is sold in these kind of rice packets, but this is fried rice, and it's a veggie fried rice. How perfect is that for an easy, like 90-second, mix it with some chicken and some broccoli or something, and then you've got dinner. Super, super easy. Will probably be featured on my next Dollar Tree dinners video. I bought this only simply because I wanted to try the flavor. Mexican street corn. It is way too early for this, but I'm gonna give it a try. Like 8:30 right now. My Dollar Tree opened at 8. I was there like right away. They're okay. Ooh, that's a horrible aftertaste. Okay. Fail. Don't get those. This is 0 sugar Tampico, and this is a citrus punch. It's an orange, tangerine, and lemon. Full disclosure, I think it'll be good with my vodka. So I'm gonna give this a try, you know, after the work day, if the lights go out and I'm chilling at home, as well have a drink. These fiber bars for just grab and go kind of breakfast, these are actually pretty good. The sugar is 8. I was told by a trainer dietitian to look for snacks that are 8 grams or less in sugar. There is only 1 gram of fiber, and there's 1 gram of protein. Probably not the best, but the low in sugar is definitely something that I was kind of excited to see. And then these are not low in sugar, but I do love these, especially with some like vanilla ice cream. Definitely not low in sugar here, folks. But these fudge covered graham crackers, they're this brand. I see them at Dollar Tree all the time. I don't buy them all of the time, but I did buy them this time. All right, you guys, that's it. Pretty mixed haul of just some random different stuff, and be careful out there. Be very careful out there this weekend. And I promise you, I'm working on some DIYs and things, and those videos will be out really, really soon. It's just been a crazy, crazy couple weeks. And hello, why didn't I not even mention this at the beginning? Thank you guys so much for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers. I got notification that my plaque is on the way from YouTube. It's going to go right here. I'm probably going to reposition my sister's picture and put it, I don't know, put it here somewhere. But Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. And I'll do an unboxing. It'll probably be like a YouTube short or maybe even something on Instagram, but I'll definitely do an unboxing for you guys. And it's not so bad now. It has a little bit of a weird aftertaste, but it's not bad.